Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 37. In our last video, we saw Java code naming convention. In this video, we are going to discuss about Java comments. So let's first understand why we use comments in a code. Let's first consider there we have one project. There are 5 developers working on that project. Each developer develop one model or one features, and that developer only know that features, what they implement inside that features. That developer only know which method use for that features. If that developer left that job, okay, that developer left that job, then a new developer came for that developer. That new developer, how can that new developer know this method is used for this particular operation? If that old developer mention there, if that old developer comment there, this method is for these features, okay, inside this method we perform these features, this operation. If that old developer mention their comments, this particular statement, this particular method for using these particular features, okay, that's why it's a quickly understanding for one developer to another developer. We use a comments, developer comments for a developers, okay, comments not for a comments not used for a execution, comments not used for a client, comments only used for a developers, for one developer to another developer understanding, okay, for a code understanding we use a comments, okay, we pass our comments only during the write code. Comments are used for a provide information about a class, method, variable or any statement. We simply provide information. If we declare one method, we simply comment there and we provide information. This method is used for this purpose. Comments are not part of compiler, interpreter or execution. Comments only for comments. It's not part of a compiler. It's not compiling that comment code. It's not executing that comment code. Comments not impact in a code execution or performance, because comments are not part of a compiler or execution. That's why comments code is not impacting performance. There are few types of comments we can declare. We have a single line comment, multi-line comment and documentation comment. Okay, mostly in a real time project, mostly use a single line and multi-line comment. This documentation comment rarely used. So let's first understand what is the single line comment. The single line comment is used for a comment only one line. If you want to provide some short statement, short comment, then we can simply write a single line comment. Then we have a multi-line comment. The multi-line comment is used for a comment multiple lines of code. If you want to comment, if you want to provide a comment multiple lines, then we use a multi-line comments, okay. Then we have a documentation comment. Third one is a documentation comment. Documentation comment used for a create a documentation API. For that we need to use a javadoc tools, okay. For performing this documentation comment we have to use javadoc tools, and we simply perform like this /* inside a comment code, then */, okay. Let's open Eclipse and let's try this all comments, okay. I'll simply open Eclipse. I'll simply create a new class, part 37, and I'll simply write here one main method, okay. Let's write here main, main method, and I'll simply write here one another method, add method, public static void add, okay. I am a developer, I only know why I use this method for adding two prices, for adding two product. I only know why I use this add method. I can simply add here, I can simply write here my comment, add two number, okay. I can simply mention here add two number method. This is the add two number method, okay. I can simply write here, or I can directly write here also add two number, okay. Then we have a multi-line comments, okay. I already write here some code. Let's consider here I already write here this main method. Now I don't need this main method. Instead of deleting this code, I'll simply comment this code, and for that I'll simply add something like this /*, this start and */, okay. This is a commented code, okay. This one is a multi-line comment, this one is a single line comment. Also, as well as that, Java for a comment code, Eclipse also provides some shortcut key. I'll simply define here one method. I'll simply define here again main method. Okay, and if I want to comment this code, I'll simply select this code and I'll press Control Shift slash. Okay, I'll simply press Control then Shift then slash. Okay, hold this Control then Shift then slash. You can see here multi-line comment automatically apply. Okay, if I want to comment this one line only, then I'll simply press Control and slash. Okay, this single line comment automatically apply. This shortcut provide Eclipse for commenting for a multi-line as well as single line. Okay, then we have a documentation comment. For that we have to use java.tools. Tools. Okay, use this documentation comment. I'll simply slash double star. Okay, then I'll simply add this code slash star. Okay, this is a documentation code. Okay, this is a documentation comment. Now here we saw single line comment, then this one is a multi-line comment, and this one is a documentation comment. Okay, for using these three comment, we can simply put information that next developer can easily understand that that block of code, that method, why write this block of code, why write this that statement. Okay, the next developer can simply understand. This is a very helpful for a developer to developer understanding code. In this video, that's it. We will see next topic in a next video. Till that, bye bye.